Good morning, Yveka. Yes, let's fly to the Mozambican Channel where intense tropical cyclone Idai is currently spinning in the Mozambican Channel. Currently a Category 2 storm, but will strengthen to a Category 3 storm. Wind speeds close to the eye currently 175 kilometers per hour. It is moving in a westwards direction, slowly, only 13 kilometers per hour, and about 2 o'clock this afternoon will strengthen to a Category 3 storm and also remain a Category 3 storm as soon as it makes landfall over the coast of Mozambique, just north of the coastal town of Beira at about 195 kilometers per hour at 8 o'clock tonight. And as soon as the storm makes landfall, it will continue to slowly move westwards and weaken into a depression with wind speeds of 110 kilometers per hour, but still result in strong winds as well as torrential downpours. Our wind forecast showing wind speeds of more than 180 kilometers per hour tonight as soon as it makes landfall over the coastal city of Beira, and those wind speeds will also be extremely strong for the surrounding areas. Our accumulated rainfall showing up to 100 and 300 millimeters of rain will pour down over the coastal city of Beira, and also heavy rain for the surrounding areas, torrential downpours in the shade of yellow, more than 50 millimeters expected, and in the shade of red also more than 100 millimeters of rainfall expected. But one of the most dangerous things associated with a tropical cyclone is storm surge. Now, this animation shows the sea level at normal conditions, but as soon as a tropical cyclone approaches a coastal town, you can expect a rise of up to 1 meter. But then if the storm is strong, you can get a rise up to 2 meters of sea water. And storm surge is usually an onshore surge of sea water due to the strong winds of a tropical cyclone, and it can even push up to 4 meters of water over the coast, which could result in damaging trees as well as houses close to the shore. So please do listen to all evacuation orders that officials give you. But back home, if we look at our rainfall map, only isolated showers expected over the central parts of South Africa. This includes parts of the Karoo and the Eastern Cape, as well as the Free State and later parts of KwaZulu-Natal. But that tropical cyclone resulting in torrential downpours along the coast of Mozambique. It's going to be a partly cloudy and warm to hot today for the northeastern parts of South Africa, with a high of 32 degrees in Mahikeng, 29 in Johannesburg, and after morning drizzle, a high of 29 degrees also in Mbombela. In the Free State, Bloemfontein, a high of 30 degrees. Isolated afternoon thunderstorms expected over parts of the Free State. This includes the Eastern Cape as well as KwaZulu-Natal, but Pietermaritzburg reaching a high of 29 degrees. Along the east coast, a southeasterly swell of 2 meters, an onshore southerly wind for the Eastern Cape. A few thunderstorms are possibly moving over the Wild Coast tonight, but partly cloudy and hot today in Durban with a high of 30 degrees. Over the southern parts of South Africa, high of 31 degrees in Beaufort West, and due to the heat and sufficient moisture, a few isolated thunderstorms are expected to bubble up. Along the south coast, a mostly southeasterly wind with a south-southwesterly swell of 1.5 meters, and a few thunderstorms will also move over the coast tonight. In the Northern Cape, only isolated thunderstorms over the central and eastern parts with maximum temperatures above 30 degrees. And then quickly into the Western Cape, 27 degrees today in Cape Town, windy at times with a southerly breeze of more than 30 kilometers per hour. And then lastly, into the weekend, more thunderstorms for the central and eastern parts of the country, but a hot today for Johannesburg with a high of 28 degrees. Well, that's all from the Weather Centre for now.